Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on R6 PS5. First, let's understand what the Cronus Zen is. It's a powerful device designed to enhance your gaming experience by offering extensive controller customization and cross-platform support. You can connect nearly any controller, mouse, or keyboard to your preferred console. To begin, you'll need to install the Zen Studio software on a Windows PC and update your Cronus Zen to its most recent firmware version. This ensures full functionality and access to all features. Connecting your Zen to a PlayStation 5 requires a few specific steps. First, plug the Cronus Zen into your PS5 USB port. You'll typically connect your main controller, such as a DualSense, directly to the Zen's a 2 or a 3 USB port with a wired connection. Due to PlayStation 5 system software updates, you might need to perform a specific bypass procedure to ensure the device functions correctly. Always set your PS5 controller's communication method to use USB cable in the console settings. The true power of Cronus Zen lies in its scripts and game packs. Through Zen Studio, you can access a vast library of pre-configured game packs, offering various modifications for many games. These can be easily programmed onto one of the Zen's 8 memory slots. Additionally, custom scripts allow for intricate controller remapping, creating complex macros and fine-tuning input responses. You can adjust these settings on the fly using the Zen's small OLED display or through the comprehensive Zen Studio software. When optimizing your Zen for Rainbow Six Siege, many users explore scripts designed to refine gameplay. These scripts can help with precise aiming and managing weapon recoil patterns. It is vital to match your in-game sensitivity and dead zone settings with the script's recommendations for the best results. Features like anti-recoil and rapid fire for semi-automatic weapons are commonly found. Remember to keep your Zen's firmware and scripts updated to ensure seamless operation with the latest game versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.